Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Wix URL name. So first up, we're going to show you how to change your site URL prefix. And the second one, I'm going to show you how to change your site address URL or subdomain. Okay, so in here under your Wix Studio dashboard, just go ahead over to the top right and click on your profile icon. Click on it. Now go ahead over to account settings. Click and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here, under account info, here you have your first name and last name, and then your site URL prefix. Okay, you can go ahead and change this one if you want to, and there'll be a preview right here. This one will be changed. Okay, for example, I'm going to change it to made for money, like so. As you can see here, here's the preview. So just go ahead and hit on save. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to show you how to change your site address URL or the subdomain name. So go ahead over to your sites right here at the top, open up a site. Now, once you're here on your site dashboard, go ahead over to the top right and click on the three dots, which says Site Actions. Click on it and just hit on Rename. Okay, there you go. Here we have the site address URL. You can go ahead and change this one. As you can see, here we have the changed prefix. Now you can go ahead and change your subdomain name right here. All right, just go ahead and change it. And once done, hit on Save right here, and you're good to go. That's how you change your Wix URL name. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.